Christy's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to do buffalo deviled eggs. A couple weeks ago I saw the Pioneer woman make these and they look so delicious that I want to give them a try myself. I'll put the recipe in the description box, and as usual I'll go ahead and bring you in closer so you can see better. I'm using my 6-quart Celery electric pressure cooker, and I put a rack in there and it's just enough water till it touches the top of the rack, as you can see. I've got a dozen eggs in here total, and I'm going to cook them for 6 minutes. With the Celery, you just press the white rice button and it automatically defaults to 6 minutes. While I'm waiting on the eggs, I've got 1 celery stalk here in my Ninja. Just going to finely chop it. After 6 minutes, I went ahead and did the quick release, and I'm just going to place them in an ice bath. This is something I normally would do by the sink, but of course I'm going to go ahead and show you. The best thing about pressure cooking your eggs is the shell comes off so easy. And it could be eggs that are freshly laid. I've had eggs that were still warm out of the chicken house peeled just as easy. Of course it needs to be cleaned up, but that just shows you how easy it peeled. I'm going to go ahead and do these, and then I'll show you the rest of the recipe. I'm just using a tomato/bagel knife. I just like how it has a little fork on the end. Kind of pluck the yolk out. My egg holder here will hold 10 eggs, but I always like to cook 12. That way I have extra yolk because I like them to have more filling. When I do my own deviled eggs, I rarely ever measure, but since it's the first time I'm trying the recipe, I'm going to go by her measurements. And it calls for 1/4 cup of mayo. It's 2 tablespoons of ranch. Now I make my own ranch dressing. I'll put the recipe in the description box. 2 tablespoons of hot sauce. I'm using Texas Pete. Of course, you can add more or less depending on what you like. A couple tablespoons of blue cheese. I'm not really going to measure that because we don't mind if it's a little extra. I'm going to add the celery that I diced up earlier. I'm not going to add it all because it may be too dry of a mixture at first or too thick. We'll see. I normally just mash mine up with a potato masher, but she used a mixer on hers. She actually used her stand mixer, but I'm just going to use my little handheld one. I'll go ahead and add some pepper. And some salt. Definitely got to have salt with eggs. It's a little bit wetter of a mixture than I'm used to. I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of the celery. I'm going to add a little bit more of the blue cheese also, just to thicken it up. We're going to put a little bit on top of them too. Yeah, let's thicken it up a little bit. I just placed a gallon-sized Ziploc in a large mason jar here. just to help you pipe it out. It's a lot easier. Yeah, it's just pouring out. All right, this mixture is way too wet. I mean, I can't even pipe it out easily. I mean, I can, but so I would say that measurement is a little off if you follow the recipe. Try to hide the ugly right here. I mean, it looks like Thousand Island dressing, even though it doesn't taste like that.
All right, guys, it's been a while since I did one of Christy's taste tests. And, well, it's been so long, I'm about as rusty as a 10-man's nutsack. All right, guys, I've been out here busting my ass today, working all day. Y'all have to excuse me, I'm out of breath. My mama's been up there cracking that whip on me, been helping her out. And God love her, she got a mouth like a cannon. She's always shooting it off. Do this, do that, and I tell you, I'm just wore out. So guys, I'm gonna take a bite of this, and I'm gonna tell you right now, if y'all ain't seen them, I know you. I can tell you right now, it's gonna be good. So let's give her a shot. Guys, them the best damn deviled eggs I ever had in my life. That's delicious. Matter of fact, that makes me happier than a baby in a damn barrel full of titties. Oh my God. I'd right now, if that damn chicken that laid this damn egg walked up now, I'd kiss it on the mouth. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. That blue cheese just sets it off. Good gracious. All right, guys, I'm gonna take a couple minutes and give a holler out to Cooking with CJ and James with freaking reviews. I've been watching y'all's channels, and I tell you right now, man, you guys do a hell of a damn job, and appreciate all the good words y'all say about me. And I would drink one for you, but they say it's bad to holler out and give cheers of water, and that's all I've been drinking today. I ain't got no cold beer, but I got some brown whiskey in my future later on this afternoon. So guys, thanks again. Keep up the good work. Y'all have a good one now. Beers to you.